Let's crank it up. Oh my, look at this. Now I'm getting a little bit excited. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. This is the brush that everybody's been talking about so much on the internet, and I had to try it out for myself. Also, my younger sister got it before me, and she's been harassing me to place my order, and I finally got it in yesterday. So I decided to unbox it and share this with you guys today. I got it in this color because the pink and black was sold out. My sister mentioned that I'm not gonna be wearing the hair dryer, so it doesn't matter what color it is. So I'm like, all right. Spoiler alert, it works. So don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. I cannot wait to open this box up like a monster and blow dry my hair. I really don't want to ruin the box just in case I have to return it, you know? I'm sure they're working hard to invent a cordless version of this. All right. How does this even work? I'm acting brand new right now, like I haven't seen 500,000 videos using this thing. At the bottom of your brush blow dryer handle has the control. So it says off, cool, low, and high. So I'm gonna start with low because I don't know how terrifying this is gonna be. Scary! I'm gonna use a wet brush to comb through my hair first. I feel like taking the knots out is a good idea. I've seen girls do this with really short hair. I'm just terrified of getting it stuck. Smoke, flames, that's what I have in my head that's gonna happen to me. So I'm like, ooh! Okay, the motions are not too bad. All right, let's crank it up. Now I'm gonna take a little break because I want to talk about my first impressions of the brush. This looks heavier than it is. This brush is actually a lot lighter than my blow dryer. Typically I would use my wet brush and my blow dryer, so I would do this over and over and over again until my hair was smooth. I'm just doing that one motion and drying my hair. Volume comes with actually putting heat towards your roots and forcing it to go up. But what I'm really concentrating on is drying my hair to see if it's going to leave me with soft, shiny hair. Let's keep going. Now, as you guys can see, this side does have more volume than this side. This side's starting to dry a bit, and it's just like really kind of heavy looking. As far as the shine goes, it's there. Okay, so if you hold this tip right here, you can do that round barrel situation that you would do with your, round brush. So I love this action, being able to do this. And as you guys can see, my hair is not getting caught. Oh my, look at this. You guys. Now I'm getting a little bit excited. Hold on. I just have to take a second to say this brush is the bomb. I feel like there's still more work to be done. Like I can still roll more of my hair. Now that I'm becoming more and more confident that my hair is not gonna get caught, my hair is super shiny and really light and bouncy, which I'm like genuinely super excited about. There are some like strands of hair caught in here. Now they could have been like loose, dead hair that was gonna fall out naturally as I walk around like a monster in the street, But I didn't really feel too much tugging where I was concerned that it was damaging my hair or pulling out precious strands of hair, because As we age, we also lose a lot more hair. Our hair becomes a lot more thin. So I'm concerned about those kinds of things now. And I can genuinely tell you guys that I'm blown away. Mom joke. I love it, and I don't even care if it's blue. I'm speechless. Did you see this? Oh, she better answer her phone. Can't believe it. I'm still in shock.
Hello. Ooh, you look pretty.
Oh, excuse me? Excuse me?
What's this? See, yeah, you're doing a tutorial, weren't you?
I was like, oh my gosh, I have to call my sister because, okay.
I'm telling you, it looks nice. It looks healthy.
Girl.
Your hair looks so pretty. It looks like Nicole Scherzinger. Scherzinger?
I just want to shake my hair like this. I have got to finish my video, but I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so you guys heard it from her. She loves my hair, and I hope you guys do too. You guys have to try this product out. Please, please don't wait. I color my hair so much that it's starting to become really dry and brittle at the ends. Look how shiny and healthy my hair looks right now. This is unbelievable. Now, when I talked to my twin sister about this, she said that she saw tons of reviews about the longevity of the brush. I got it in the mail yesterday, so I don't know when it's gonna break down on me, but I'm hoping not in the near future. But honestly, I'd probably purchase it again, even if it, you know, blew up in a month. I am not a professional in the slightest. And neither is my younger sister, and we were both able to do it on our first try, so I'm so excited! I'll put the link to this product in the description box down below. I am not sponsored whatsoever. Obviously, my sister is the one that's like, told ya! And now I'm telling you guys, and I hope you guys tell your friends as well. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!